We'll go to question 2. Hope you all have your paper with you. Calculate the simple interest on 36,000 kwacha invested in a bank at the rate of 12% per annum for 3 years. So this is, I hope you remember your topic on simple interest. The questions like these rely on the formula interest is equal to, what is the formula for simple interest? Principal times rate times time over 100. The I is for simple interest. Principal, what is principal? The actual amount invested. R stands for rate. Okay, the rate is the percentage. The time is always calculated in years. So when we look at our question there, what are we required to find? The simple interest. So in this case, we will not be changing any subject or formula because what is required is already the subject of formula. So we go ahead. What is our principal? 36,000. That's our principal. The amount that was invested. The rate is 12%. So that's 12 over 100. Percentage is always over 100. The time is always in years. So the time is 3. It's as simple as that. So the first step, you need to know your formula. Close the door for me. After you write your formula, you substitute the actual figures in the formula. Then you go ahead and do the calculation. Whenever you have zeros in a diagonal, when you have a fraction multiplying with a whole number, the zeros cancel each other. So these two zeros cancel. So we no longer have any number at the bottom. We just remain with the numbers on the top. What do we remain with? 360 times 12 times 3. I'm sure you can do your calculation on that one. A calculator is not allowed in this paper. So what you're just going to have to do is you're going to do the manual work. So if this is your exam, you have a lot of space on the question paper. All right. So you're going to use the space on the question paper to calculate this. 12 times 3 is 48. So 48 times 360, you do it like that. That's 0. 6 times 8. 6 times 8. Cameraman, have your calculator with you. 6 times 8. That should be 48. 8 times 3, 24, plus 4, 28. When you're done multiplying with the first number, you move to the next number. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 3, 12. That's 14. And you add the numbers. I'm sure at this point you know how to multiply numbers. So that's 8, 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17. So our simple interest is 17,280 kwacha.